Hello! Today we're going to show you the American Eagle AE-DS650B all stainless steel dough sheeter. It's part of American Eagle's line of premium all stainless steel dough sheeters. Dough sheeters use two rollers to flatten dough to a consistent thickness and press the air out of the dough for a better finished dough product. Compared to rolling dough by hand using a rolling pin, dough sheeters allow you to achieve more consistent results and process much larger batches of dough. Dough sheeters are typically used to process laminated dough, such as used for pastries, but they can also do dough for anything from pizza to empanadas to pasta to cookies to anything. In addition to the model shown here, we also offer a larger, fully automatic machine with computerized controls and an automated flour release bin that allows anyone to roll dough with minimal training. We also have another machine that can automatically cut the dough into different shapes. Our premium line is made from all high-quality stainless steel. As you can see here, everything from the main body to the work tables to the retractable trays is made of high-quality, thick-gauge stainless steel. In addition, they have highly accessible food contact surfaces so they're easy to clean. This includes easy to remove scrapers, easy to wipe main rollers, and fold-up conveyor rollers at the ends of each work table to release tension on the belts for easy cleaning. The machine also features detachable working tables to allow for belt replacement, deep cleaning, or just easier storage. Combined with the built-in casters, it makes the machine very easy to transport and move when needed. A number of features make our machines convenient and simple to use, including a large digital display showing the exact height in millimeters of the pressing rollers. The ergonomically designed working handle controls the precise height of the pressing rollers and locks onto this U-shaped plate using two teeth for easy, consistent, and repeatable height adjustments. The directional control arm is reachable on both sides of the machine for convenient control over the direction of the dough processing. Also, there's a foot pedal for controlling the direction in case you need hands-free operation. A transfer roller accessory and holding brackets are included to be able to transfer the dough to a separate work area for unrolling and cutting into shapes. The stainless steel guard must be down for the machine to run for safety and is mounted on gas struts so that it opens and closes smoothly and won't drop down onto the table. For long-term durability, the machine features power inverter technology, so you can use common single-phase 220-volt power to power its three-phase industrial high-quality motor. It also features a chain and sprocket drive system, so there's no gears or plastic parts to wear out. And a heavy-duty belt connects the motor to the main drive wheel for quiet and reliable operation. With an attractive all-stainless design, durable components, quiet operation, and easy-to-clean surfaces, the American Eagle dough sheeters represent the best total cost of ownership for various operators ranging from small retail open concept bakeries all the way up to larger wholesale bakeries. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us and check out our other videos.